Hello guys, welcome back or welcome here if you are new here. My name is Dakota and I am new here on YouTube. I have just started content creating and it has been a hot minute since I have posted last. I am a student at ASU and we just got done with finals week, so it has been chaotic and crazy. And I just have had no time to post or edit any videos. But now that school is done, I thought, why not have a perfect time to start a summer series? This series is going to be kind of like a summer reset, body reset, getting back into good habits, throwing away bad habits, because I've accumulated so many since finals week and it has been insane. My body has been through the ringer and it's definitely taking a toll. The acne is back, the bloatingness is back, just feeling drowsy and gross and just not it. I've really been doing bad for finals week. I was eating candy, I've been eating gluten, I've been getting sleep. So I thought, why not do a summer reset, get the body back to where we want it to be, get back on track with our New Year's goals, because we have so many of them, and just start to heal the body again, because I have definitely put it through the ringer since finals week. So the very first video of this series is going to be this one, and I thought, no, why not start with our food, because a food is such a big thing in health and community. I am no physical trainer, I am no expert, I'm no nutritionist, but I can say just from my personal experience that what I consume and put into my body definitely affects how I feel and how I'm performing. So I'm like, we need to reset. I just got back from Six Flags and my entire apartment is empty. My roommate left, so all of her food is gone and all my food was just gone. Because I wasn't here for 2 days. So we went grocery shopping and we got some food. And I'm starting to meal prep, which I don't really do too much of, but I have before, so I kind of knew how to do it. And that is pretty much what this video is about. We are starting to heal our bodies again because it just wasn't it. I was eating gluten and candy. I've definitely lost a ton of the progress that I had made, and my skin is also feeling the effects of it. So let's get started. We are going to make some breakfast. We're going to prep some lunch stuff and some snack stuff, and then we're going to prep some dinner stuff. So let's go. Okay, so the very first thing I made or prepped was my breakfast. I just made chia seed pudding. I put banana milk, chia seeds, vanilla extract, and syrup, maple syrup in this. And then I made some homemade granola, which is still setting right now, but we did make some homemade granola. Oh, it's so good. I have bananas and sunflower butter that will go on top of this. Cut up some papaya, but it is not ripe yet, as you can tell. So I will not be eating this yet because she still needs to ripe, but she was on sale. So I got some of that. I made some guacamole, which I like to put on any of my bowls, like chicken or beef bowls. And this will last me quite a while because I leave the seeds in there, and the seeds keep it fresher for longer. So I have some lemon, garlic, and onion in here, and that will last me for quite a bit. And then and then I also cut up some mango. I do have more in the fridge. This is just one mango. The rest weren't ripe yet, so I didn't cut those up yet. I hard-boiled some eggs. These are going to be for my lunch usually. I like to make a snack plate for lunch just because I don't have the biggest appetite for lunch. But obviously, you still need to eat. So I usually make hard-boiled eggs. I'll eat them with like rice cakes, turkey meat, things like that. I bought some lemons and I cut them up. I like to use this with my water and drink lemon water. And I finally got to get bone broth. And I'm going to try that tomorrow morning. And I heard that lemons with bone broth is supposed to be really good. So I did that. I prepped some chicken, I shredded some chicken, and I cooked it in the air fryer. And then I made some brown rice, put a hard-boiled egg in here, and then also cooked some vegetables. I have corn, carrots, and green beans in here. And the chicken and this will be my dinner. I also prepped 2 sauces. This one is going to be for my dinner, and it is Greek yogurt, hot honey, chili powder, Mrs. Dash, and a little bit of lemon juice. The other one I made, you kind of can think of it as ranch. It's not really, but it's Greek yogurt, olive oil, dill, and garlic, and onion. That is all that I have prepped so far that I know of. But other things that I have gotten, I love to drink kombucha and coconut water together and add my lemons into it. It is so good. So I got this. I got the bone broth. Like I said, I didn't know whether to get beef or chicken. So I got both, and we're going to just test out which one I like. I then made some banana whipped cream for my coffee in the morning because I want to stop going to coffee shops and actually save some money. So I made some banana whipped cream and I put it in the bag. The only other stuff I got was just apples, bananas, rice cakes, sunflower butter, oranges, just some snacky stuff. So I do have stuff to snack on throughout the day. Anyways, this is going to be the very first video of this series. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. It's going to be a great start to the summer. I can just tell this series is not only going to help me push through my health journey, but I also hope to inspire others as well. And also comment if you want to see any recipes or literally just anything you think could apply to this series, because I've got some ideas that I for sure want to hit that relate to me, but maybe I can try and hit on some pointers that some other people struggle with that I can kind of maybe help and show what I do to overcome that stuff. So bye guys, love you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, comment, and like, and go follow the rest of the socials if you are interested in this series, or just if you think I could be a cool, fun vibe. I really hope so. So bye.